Hey, good afternoon. My name's Jay Youmans, and I just listed this Hurricane 2400 SD. It's a great boat, lots of power, perfect boat to take your family out to the sandbars, go cruising to restaurants. Let's go through the boat and we'll see what options are available. This boat's equipped with a powerful Yamaha 250 VMAX motor, only 207 hours. This vessel is equipped with a rear shower, freshwater shower, so when you get out of the water at the sandbar, you have the benefit of being able to hose off before you go into the boat. Moving forward, you see you have the snap-in sea deck for maximum comfort underfoot. Also, you have a really nice deep cockpit for safety, so if you're out there with kids, it's a nice deep area for them to be safe and secure while you're running the boat. Plenty of seating with underseat storage. You've got a sink also with a pull-out faucet. Beautiful helm station, Garmin electronics, Polk audio system, tilt steering wheel. You got swivel seats to maximize the social zones on the boat. Complete audio system. Vacuum flush head. Moving forward, you have tons of storage. Please check out all the photos that we took. You also have a bow table that connects to the rear cockpit area, so you could have a table in the rear as well. Moving forward, you have a mini live well here for those days you want to catch some fish. Also can double as a cooler. And then moving forward, you've got your anchor. And then you have another fold-out bow ladder. You know, this boat is really equipped for family fun, spending a nice day out on the water and enjoying yourselves. Give us a call. Again, my name is Jay.
And my cell phone is 561-222-3181. We'd love to help you get out on the water with your family on this boat.